What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Bitcoin today. Yes, we are. I'm going to take my big fat face off the video here for a second. I just wanted to say hi. I am on vacation. I am in the middle of the Caribbean with my family. You might hear my daughter in the background, but I'm just taking a moment to do a little update on BTC here for the time being. So looking at it here, let's see. Yeah, looking at it here. This drop is just beginning. I mean, there's probably not that much left to go, but it is kind of just beginning, right? It's been about 3 weeks. The reason why I'm saying it's just beginning is because we have a whole lot more time to go before we resume going to the upside. I do think that we'll see prices as low as 50K. Potentially, at the most optimistic, the highest, we could see prices around 58K, 57K. Being at 63.7K right now, that is a little bit of a ways to go. We could see prices go a lot lower than that. That is absolutely possible. I have mentioned the 39K area a few times, probably in every video that I've made for the past couple weeks now, for BTC. And the reason why I want to, again, explore that as an option is if we look at this, we can look at it on the weekly, but let's look at it on the monthly here. We'll take the trend line, put it from this low to this low here, low to low. You can see that if we were to drop all the way down to, let's say in June we were to drop down there, that's at 38K. You know, we really could see prices down there and still maintain this trajectory, this current trajectory that BTC is on. So while most people might say that the market, the bull cycle is over if we were to break below 50K, break below 40K, I want to just let you guys know if that were to happen, and I don't think that it will, but if it were to happen, we're more or less on track for glory, right? We absolutely are. And again, I did this in my last BTC video, but if you take this kind of trajectory that we just got done with here, we put that in, let's say June. When is this here? That's August, actually, my bad. Well, let's say, would it be August? I don't know. If we found the low, we're probably going to find our low before June, but at least by June. So one more over, sorry. It's a little bit different on my phone here, guys. It's harder to pinpoint things the first time around. Let's see. That's June there, yeah. If we were to go as low as approximately like 37.5K, 38K even, something like this, enough to come down to this trend line here, and we made the same move that we just did. Again, this line is a rough approximation of this move here all the way up here. If we were to do that, we would still be over 100K by the end of this year, essentially is what that's saying. So we could go lower. We could break everybody's hopes and dreams by breaking below 50K, breaking below 40K, and still be absolutely on track to making record new all-time highs at the six-figure range and beyond. So fret not if that does happen, but that's not my personal expectation. That's not the targets that I have. I do expect that we go lower from here, but again, that's probably about 58K to 57 or 50K itself. If we look at the relative low that we have here, most relative low, I'm going to delete this line here. Take this low to this high right here. You can see we have a relative 382 right there at about 57.5K. We have a 618 retracement, the golden ratio itself, all the way down to about 49K, which is that's pretty close to 50K. I don't know why is it different. It might be because we're on Coinbase. Maybe that's what it is. Are we on Coinbase? Let me see. BTC USD. Maybe Binance. We'll do the USDT pair, BTC USDT, because it's got more volume on Binance. If it would load. There we go. Let's see. Relative low to high point here. Oh no, it is a little bit. I feel like whenever I made my videos back at home, it was at 50K. It was like $50,300. I don't know why, but apparently now the new price target is $49,400. But that's what we got. That's what the charts are showing. So we could go as low as this, even 47,000 itself, and be totally fine. But my expectation as of right now is that we could hold this 57.5 to 57K area, something like that. I don't know why the fibs are different. I swear, was I using the index prices? Let's see, BTC USD index. Because I'd rather use the exchange than the index prices anyways. I don't know why. Go back and watch my videos from before, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I swear this was like at 50. I swear I'm taking the same fib areas. But whatever. Maybe I was looking at the whole cycle. Let me see. Cycle as a whole. No, that's definitely not true. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, anyways, guys, it looks like our new targets are anywhere from like 49K to 57.5K. I would think that we see 57K, so don't be shocked if that happens. Being at 63.7K now, that is a little bit of a ways away, but we probably do find that low sooner than later. It could be this month, it could be as late as sometime in May, but I would think sooner than later. And then we will probably continue to consolidate all the way through this second quarter of this year, going into the third quarter of this year. We'll probably start moving up sometime in August or September, and that's really all I got to say. So if you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you all for coming. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.